Hello, Ivan here with WTI, and I have with me the powerful ZUGU case. And I say that because it truly has a powerful magnet. You can stick it on that fridge where you can look up your recipes or watch some show while you're cooking. But the quality in itself, it's superb. You will really love this product. It's really nice and sleek, and the quality of it is impressive. It has lasted me so long. I had it for over 2 years. It is also really easy to install. You can pop it just right in, but it's still secure where you don't have to worry about it slipping out. Once it's installed, the precision of it, as far as if you use a screen protector, it fits perfectly and it doesn't bubble up. It doesn't push that to where it messes up with that protector. It's just as easy to uninstall as well if you need to get rid of some debris. And I also appreciate that I'm able to still place my Apple Pencil on the side of the tablet where it can be charged, and that magnet itself is also very strong. So I don't have to worry about losing my Apple Pencil, but you also have the little pocket in the back where you can place the Apple Pencil as well. Especially if you put it in your bag, so it's not being moved around there. Also, the tilting of the tablet, the different positions that you can use, it's also a plus, because maybe you want to watch a movie or something, but perhaps you just want to write or sketch on it, so you can place it where it's more comfortable. That's a really nice feature I love. So if you are looking for a high quality, very versatile case, then ZUGU is the way to go. But that's just my point of view.